Hi, good evening mga chikrabs at sa mga besh kong expired. Kakagaling lang po namin, galing sa concert ng Air Supply, tapos ito yung madadatnan ko. Nakakaawa talaga to si Miss Claudine Barreto, idol ko pa naman to. Kasi po ito, makikita nyo na kinidnap yung anak po niya at the same time parang may connivance together with his ex at gusto talaga siyang kung di mabaliw mamatay po talaga. Nakakaawa talaga, i-watch nyo para malaman nyo.
I am going to go after Marisol or Maria Solita Acap for kidnapping my children in 15 minutes if she is not here. Again, my right hand, my PA, together with some fans, na-trace na po ng NBI. Okay, this is not a joke. This is very serious. Marisol, ibalik mo ang mga anak ko dito. Kanina ka pa dapat nasa Katipunan. Inaantay ka na ng NBI dito. At sa lahat ng Team Baliwag, whose loyalty is supposed to be mine, please come clean. Again, if in now 14 minutes, wala pa, that is already kidnapping. Marisol Acap, bring my children now. Dahil huling-huli na kayo ng Team Baliwag group mo sa GC with my Cladinians. Slandering my name, destroying me and using my children, extorting money from my fans, from KNL. Rosie, I am so not mad at you. I am so disappointed with you. Kung nasa amang lugar kayo, lahat dyan may NBI. At ipatatawag po kayong lahat. You are slandering my name. This is privacy ko. Inilabas ninyo. And you say you are loyal. Why? I am giving you 10 more minutes. 15, 14, from now on, nakikiusap ako sa lahat ng mga Cladinians to stay away from Maria Solita Acap or Marisol Acap. She is not to be trusted. I have all the evidence with me, and I will deal with her. And you know who you are? Hindi ka talaga titigil hanggat di mo ako mabaliw o mapatay. Nanay ako ng mga anak mo. If anything happens to me, especially sa fiesta ng Jensan, alam nyo na po, 2 tao lang ang gumagalaw. So, I'm so hurt, I'm disappointed, I'm upset with some of the Cladinians. Because what? You're scared of this person who has no power over me. And this person is in connivance with someone who wants me dead. Hindi ho to biro. So please pray for my safety and stay away from Marisol Acap. I suggest, please, come clean yung Baliwag group of Cladinians because I have all the recordings, I have all the evidences, and the NBI is supporting me with this. At ikaw, malalaki na ang mga anak ko. Magkita tayo sa Vauci. You want me dead? Dahil hindi kita binabalikan? Bring it on. Bring it on. Multuhin ka sana ng nanay at tatay mo. Thank you everybody and good night.
So ayun mga chikrabs at beshi kong expired. Bali sa bukas or sa isang araw na lang natin bigyan ng reaction kasi para alam talaga natin yung detailed. Ayan. Thank you so much and good night to everyone.